Okay guys, I'm gonna make a quick video of I'm gonna start picking some locks on these videos. When I first started YouTube, I picked, I had some lock picking videos up, but I deleted them because they wasn't really high quality and I had to stress through them. So I'm gonna start picking some locks for my new videos. This is a Master Lock 3. It don't have no security pins. It's like a simple lock. Clear the pins and to verify this is locked. It is locked. I don't got the key to this one, so yeah. Clear the pins. Let's push that up like that. Put your tensioners in. Don't apply no pressure, and then stick your using a short hook for this single pin picking. Put it in about halfway. Sometimes it takes a couple of seconds, sometimes it takes a couple of minutes. I ain't picked locks in a while, guys, so I'm a little rusty. If I can get it, it'll be alright. Let me reset the pins pretty good, guys. Sometimes it takes me like 10 seconds, sometimes it takes me 2 or 3 minutes. Move that out of the way. Right there it is. As you see, it clicked and the axle is turned back. And it is unlocked, guys. These tools I use is from lockpicktools.com. Go over there and check that website out. It's an excellent website. I also ordered me a jackknife right here. This has costed $20. This set right here costed like 60 something. This set right here costs us 60. It's a 16 piece, and this has 8 picks on it. So yes, thank you guys for watching my videos. Comment and subscribe.